When it comes to employee training, we know you want to be the most sought-after training manager in your organization. For that to happen, you need high-quality, effective learning delivered rapidly at pricing that works for you. The problem is ineffective, slow, and costly training. As former training and L&D professionals, we know how frustrating it can be to deal with multiple, small, incompetent e-learning vendors who cannot meet your varied training needs and aggressive timelines at efficient pricing. That's why we offer all services at one place and have specialized in designing effective training solutions that, for the last 20 years, have delighted more than 100 global organizations in more than 30 countries. Here's how we do it. Step 1. You share your need. Step 2. Schedule a meeting. And Step 3. Sign an MSA. So, you can stop getting frustrated with needing to work with multiple vendors for different types of work, their inability to roll out large number of courses, unexpected cost escalations, and delays in training rollout, and instead become the most sought-after training manager, offering the right type of training at the right time, well within your training budget.